Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Today I will share a ring that I created a couple days ago before this show that I have in Chicago. And I still have few left, so I thought maybe I will quickly show how I create them. And I will actually make more of them. A lot of people really like them. It's not too much, it's just two wires here and symbol of never-ending life or circle of life or whatever you want to give a meaning for your spirals and circles. And I think it's pretty cool. You can use, as you see, a torch and start at the end with the torch, or you can use no torch at all, because here is just a simple wire there. And I mean, I still use it here though, but you can file it probably. So let's see what we can do today. I will use pre-annealed wire, which I usually work with stiff wires, but for this ring, because it's a lot of bending and I like have it softer, so I pre-anneal this piece. So it's a long piece, but I pre-anneal like this much. So let's see, when I'm not sure how much I will need it, but we will measure on the go. So here is, let's see the length of it. I use 16 gauge, it's pretty thick, that's why I pre-anneal. So pre-anneal part is 10 inches basically. Let's see if we needed more for that, because you also can make it smaller spiral if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be that big, but I think this size is good, you know, or you can also make it a little bit larger. That's only idea and the way how I twist, but then you can go from that and use maybe twisted wire, or you can also hammer it more. You can do whatever you want to do with your jewelry, just idea for you if you would like to make one just like this. Okay, I will start with from one end, and we needed our tools will be today, we have to have something to form our ring, and then the normal pliers and cutters, your round nose pliers. We'll start from one end, and because we want to later go with the wire inside there, we have to have sort of a larger coil. So I will cut the end a little bit. You can file it also. So this is the piece I cut, chopped. And we will keep spiraling. You can go back with the same tool if you wanted to, and make it. So now, just keep going. I didn't even pay attention when I did the first time. So you can be more ovalish. That also depends on the design you wanted to make. So I will make probably, so here we have 2 wires, and here it looks like we have 3. So I will do the same thing. We'll keep going. I think it's good enough for me. Okay, so I will make going like this, you know, and now we can start work with our mandrel. Let's see, I will make size 7. It's all beaten up, but I still see where it goes. So I go around, and now it will deform because, you know, you have to go through the thing here. looks funny, isn't it? 7. It's hard with the camera and telephone. So sometimes I am out of the out of the window. So you see it's go here. Then we just make sure you push your wire all the way so the size is there. Okay, and you go around again. So we have 2 wires here, and I will go again here. It's very, very easy to make. Only make sure you really nicely pre-anneal your wires because they are freaking stiff. They are stiff. Okay, I did it, I think. Yes, I did it. So when we done with pushing them through that, so I will remove it from my tool and cut, and then I use a torch to heat that little end so it will be heated, little bubble here. You can cut it shorter if you wanted to, just or you can also maybe flatten it and file around. Then you go back on your ring mandrel, use your rubber mallet and format your ring. You just play with that, just make sure you shock those wires so they can sit nicely. If you wanted to texture, because the more you beat, the more this will looks flat, you know, just to flatten a little bit more. But what I did when I did these rings, it's literally so fast. Sun is going here, so we will have a lot of sun soon. Before you start making wrapping around your mandrel, you can also texturize your wires. You can just beat them. I don't think I texturize this one that much, just a little bit, but you can really nicely texturize those after you form the circle, you know, just to texturize nicely. So that could be really, really pretty. Guys, it's a simple project. This morning I was trying to make actually a link out of it, but it didn't work. So because I cut here and I tried to make a link so it will be this symbol inside in my jewelry, but it's all fall apart, so it didn't work. I will try to create something different way maybe for a link, because I want to continue that symbol, these beautiful spirals with maybe a little bubble here and here in my jewelry, but just I still don't know how to make it. If somebody figured out, just email me, because we have a lot of brains here and we can all collectively work on something together. Hope you like this project, and I will see you next Tuesday with another tutorial, and I hope you make this ring. Thank you guys for watching. Share if you can. There is a lot of information here. You can see my old videos. You can have a lot of information from that, just to create simple jewelry, not simple jewelry, more complicated, all kinds of things. So I will see you next Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and see you next week again. Thank you. Bye bye.